A is for artist painting colors so bright. B is for baker making bread just right. C is for chef cooking yummy food to eat. D is for doctor keeping us on our feet. E is for engineer building bridges tall. F is for firefighter helping one and all. G is for gardener planting seeds in rows. H is for hairdresser, watch how the hair grows. I is for inventor, dreaming of a plan. J is for judge, helping all they can. K is for keeper at the zoo with animals near. L is for librarian, sharing books we hear. M is for musician, playing songs so sweet. N is for nurse, helping us when we feel beat. O is for officer, keeping streets so safe. P is for pilot, flying through outer space. Q is for quarterback, throwing fast and far. R is for reporter, telling news like a star. S is for scientist, learning something new. T is for teacher, teaching me and you. U is for undersea diver, exploring the deep blue sea. V is for vet, helping pets as happy as can be. W is for writer, telling stories with a pen. X is for X-ray tech, seeing bones now and then. Y is for yoga teacher, stretching side to side. Z is for zoologist, taking us for a ride. From A to Z, there's so much we can be. Whatever you choose, you'll be great. Just wait and see.